How's it going, fourth grade? So today you guys are going to be working on your glue line portraits. It could be a self-portrait of you that's abstract. It could be someone else. It could be someone made up. If you were not here last time, you're gonna take a piece of black paper. You're going to need a pencil and some glue. Watch the video from week 7, and then that will go over what exactly we did. You can put on headphones and follow along. But for those who are working on color, today you're gonna be using oil pastels. If you've never used oil pastels are kind of like a mix of crayon and paint. So it's kind of a messy material. Your hands are gonna get a little bit messy today. But what's really cool about them is they make these amazing blends. So we've been talking about gradients and blending colors recently. In 4th grade, we're gonna be really hammering color. You guys should know color theory by now. Remember, what a gradient is when you have colors that are similar next to each other. It allows it to blend. It makes a really cool effect. Okay, but something new that we haven't talked about yet is tints and shades. So I'm just gonna take a random color. Let me do something a little bit brighter so you can see it. Like this purple. So I blocked off 2 little areas with some purple. If you add white to color, they will blend, and this is called a tint. A tint just means a color plus white. A color plus white is just a lighter version of that color, so now it's kind of like a lavender rather than a Barney purple. If you take black and add it to a color, you get a shade. So a shade is when the color goes darker, it's a little bit more grayed, a little less bright. You can blend oil pastels with your finger, which is awesome and fine by me. If you're not into blending with your finger, we also have Q-tips. But please, when you're done with the Q-tip, please throw it away. Some people have been taking the Q-tip and just putting it back in the box. Like anyone's gonna want your messed up, ugly Q-tip. That always confuses me. So you can use tints and shades to your advantage in this project. Maybe you have this blue, you're like, that could be like a little bit lighter. Why don't you take a white, put it where you need it to be lighter, and then blend, 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 blend. So I'm gonna take about 15 minutes or so and just start coloring. After 15 minutes today, we're gonna take an in-progress photo. So remember, it does not have to be done today. This is just kind of like your before and after photo. I'll be right back. All right, so it's been about 15 minutes. This is all I had time for today. Just a couple things I wanna go over before I let you guys start is that if you wanna build up a color, you have to build it up. You're gonna have to work in layers. If you want this purple even whiter, you're gonna have to press a little bit harder and build up that color. I love just blending with the pastel. That's possible too. Not everything has to be a gradient. I just hope that you get a chance to try it because it's fun. And feel free to be as abstract as you want. You know what? I'm feeling like this needs some stars. I don't know why, but it does, and I like it. So keep on working, have fun, make it interesting, and then we'll take a photo after 15 minutes, and then you can continue on. Have an amazing day.